here's how to play boomchick fingerstyle in 5 steps. First step is just get your boomchick happening. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step number 2. Use fingers from your right hand to pluck the A minor chord on the 1 of every bar while simultaneously maintaining an even boomchick sound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Step number 3. Add an extra A minor on the 1 and the 3 of every bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step number 4. Start to play with the A minor chord to get different sort of sounds within this rhythmic context. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step number 5, try to implement all that we've looked at in the previous steps into a chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So that's how to boomchick in 5 steps. Now I just want to share with you a few little thoughts and tips that will help you hopefully overcome any sort of hurdles that you might hit. The core of this idea is to enable you to play accompaniment for yourself only using your thumb, therefore leaving the rest of your fingers free for other things like playing melody, funky chords, and sort of giving yourself this sound of a whole band just with your fingers. So if you're really brand new to this, you might have the sort of intuitive feeling to play the bass part like this, like. And if you do that, you won't get very far because you won't have free fingers on the right hand to play melody or chordal accompaniment. So it's really important, no matter how uncomfortable it feels, that you stay disciplined and only let your thumb get this movement. It might take a little bit of time, but it's worth it. So just stick with it, and as always, start really slow until it feels comfortable and only then increase the tempo. The next thing to keep in mind is there's a different thumb picking pattern if you're playing a 5-string chord, for example, an A minor here, or a 6-string chord with an A minor here. And this is the difference. When you play a 5-string chord, the root note of the chord is usually on the 5th string. So your thumb needs to start on the 5th string, and then it goes through the picking progression, which is 5th string, 4th string, 6th string, 4th string, and then back. And now we play a 6-string chord. The root note has shifted from the 5th string to the 6th string. So then the pattern changes. So then the pattern is 6th string, 4th string, 5th string, 4th string. Can you hear the difference? Here's a 5-string, and here's a 6th string. Once you've sort of got your thumb going and your accompaniment happening, try to take a step back and think about the tone that you're producing, not just that the mechanics of your hands are moving. So you want to have a nice tonal balance between the bass notes of your thumb and the accompaniment chords of your fingers. They shouldn't all be at the same level sounding like one instrument. You want to try and emulate the sound of 2 instruments. And something that can help you with that is palm muting. And palm muting is when you put part of the palm of your right hand on the strings with not too much pressure to create a sort of deeper, punchier sound. And I'll demonstrate that quickly. Here it is with no palm mute. Here it is with palm mute. So once you're comfortable with all these 5 steps, take all that hard work and learn a song in the style. If you are really unfamiliar to this sort of playing, I can recommend you listening to Chet Atkins, Tommy Emmanuel, Richard Smith, Emil Annebro, Mel Travis, Buster B. Jones. The list is massive. So YouTube some of these names and listen to some of the greats of this style and find a tune that you like and start implementing these sort of techniques that we've looked at into a song so it can all come together musically. And if you're really unsure, I can recommend like Freight Train, Baby's Coming Home as one tune to start with. That's the lesson. I really hope you could get something from this. If you enjoyed it, please like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Happy practice. See you at the next one. Take care, guys.